Hello. Let's sew together very comfortable and stylish knitted trousers for children. The pattern is suitable for boys and girls. Link to the pattern in the description under the video. For sewing I used cotton jersey with a density of 180. 200 grams per 100 centimeters. We need 2 front part, 2 back parts, back top panel, 2 side pockets, 2 pocket bags without cutout, and 2 pocket bags with cutout. Do not forget to add a seam allowance. You also need 4 flap parts. Now you need to carve out the back pockets. For this you need 2 pieces of fabric in size a little larger than the pocket. Overlock top edge. And hem the top edge. Fold face to face and outline the pockets. Stitch the pocket along the contour. No need to bind. Cut off the excess by 5 mm from the edge and cut off the corners. Turn out and iron very well. Now the line needs to be carefully cut. As a result, you get 2 completely identical pockets. Transfer the contours of the pockets to the back of the trousers and sew on the pockets. When the pocket is sewn, you need to iron it very well. To front detail, sew on bag's pocket with cutout. Don't forget to iron. Sew on the remaining pocket bags. Additionally, fasten the pocket of the bag with a straight stitch on the sewing machine. Sew the back pieces together. Sew on the top back panel. Sew back and front pieces together. Now you need to make side pockets. Transfer lines from pattern to pocket. Finish the upper and lower sections of the pocket with an overlock. Iron the upper and lower allowances to the front side. Overlock the side sections of the pocket. Sew along the side edge of the pocket at a distance of 1 cm from the edge. Now the pocket needs to be turned out and ironed. Stitch along the central line. Fold and iron along the side line. Sew along the fold at a distance of 1 cm from it. Do the same with the remaining line. Fold the side folds along the center line. Sew a length of about 4 cm starting from the vein of the pocket. Top and bottom you need to make reinforcement stitches. Duplicate the flaps of the pockets with a special hot glue cloth. Fold face to face and sew 2 pieces of pocket flaps. Make cuts, turn out and iron. More flaps need to be stitched. Transfer marks and sew on pocket. Sew on pocket flaps and stitch. Sew the front seam. Sew a straight seam on the emitting codpiece, then press it to the side and top stitch on the outside. Sew the bottom seam, overcast the bottom of the trousers with an overlock, and bend 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Prepare pieces of elastic 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters wide. The length of the elastic depends on its quality and personal preference. Sew the elastic bands into a ring, turn the pants out, and insert the elastic bands into the hem of the trousers. Sew on the elastic and top stitch. Cut the belt. Overcast the ends and sew into a ring, putting a small hole. Sew in a belt. It remains only to insert the rubber band and line off. Choose the length of the elastic band equal to the waist circumference or less by 1 or 2 centimeters.